Welcome to the weekly press briefing of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, where we aim to provide journalists with an update on the latest developments at the court and the opportunity to ask questions. The trial of Sabit Yanuzi, Ismet Batyari, and Haji Shala will start next Thursday, the 14th of November at 9:30, with the opening statements of the prosecution and two of the defense teams. During opening statements, the parties lay out their case, including the evidence they intend to submit that supports this. At the start of next Thursday's hearing, the indictment will be read out and the presiding judge will inform the accused of their rights, ask if they have understood the charges against them, and give them the opportunity to confirm their initial pleas of not guilty. Once the charges of the indictment have been read out, the prosecution will have 2 hours to make its opening statements, followed by the Yanuzi defense, which has been allocated 1 hour, and the Haji Shala defense, which has been allocated 30 minutes. These timings were determined by the trial panel on the basis of the parties' requests. In line with the rules, the Batyari defense has said they would prefer to make their opening statement after the prosecution has presented its case and called its witnesses. The indictment alleges that between the 5th of April 2023 and the 12th of April 2023, Mr. Yanuzi and Mr. Batyari, at Mr. Shala's direction, met separately with a witness on 2 occasions to induce him to withdraw evidence or refrain from providing evidence in official proceedings before the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, including by use of serious threat and the promise of a gift or other form of benefit. The accused are charged with obstructing official persons and performing official duties and intimidation during criminal proceedings. The opening of the trial next Thursday on the 14th of November can be followed in Albanian, Serbian, or English through the streaming page of the KSC website with a 45-minute delay, or from the public gallery at the premises of the court. In the same case, on the 5th of November, the trial panel rejected a prosecution request to admit into evidence the written testimony of 2 witnesses, because the prosecution had filed the request after the deadline for doing so had already passed. In the trial of Hashim Thaci, Kadri Veseli, Recep Salimi, and Jakub Krasniqi, the 103rd witness has been testifying in court over the course of this week. The witness, Shukri Buya, testified mostly in public session, although parts of the hearings were closed. In the same case, on the 1st of November, the prosecution notified the trial panel that it no longer intends to call 12 witnesses from its earlier list and that it intends to present the statements of 8 additional witnesses in written form instead of via live testimony in court. In the same filing, the prosecution noted that following these changes, the number of witnesses remaining to testify in court as part of the prosecution case is reduced to 43. The prosecution also said that it anticipates that it will be in a position to notify the trial panel of additional changes to its witness list by the upcoming judicial recess in December. The next hearing in the Thaci et al. Trial is scheduled for Monday, the 18th of November, starting at 9 o'clock in the morning.